The Pakistan Air Force retired its fleet of ZDK-03 Karakoram Eagle airborne warning and control system aircraft in January 2024. The move surprised many defense analysts. The ZDK-03 had only been in service for 12 years. This was a short service life for such an important asset. The PAF had initially hailed the ZDK-03 as a major leap forward in its airborne surveillance capabilities. However, the aircraft quickly faced significant challenges. These challenges ultimately led to its early retirement. The ZDK-03 was based on the Shanxi Y-8 platform. The Y-8 is a Chinese transport aircraft. The ZDK-03 was equipped with a domestically produced radar system. This radar system was designed to provide early warning of aerial threats. It was also intended to direct fighter aircraft in engagements. However, the radar system was plagued with problems from the beginning. It suffered from poor performance, particularly in the presence of ground clutter. This limited its effectiveness in many operational scenarios. The PAF's decision to retire the ZDK-03 AWACS fleet represents a significant development. It highlights the challenges faced by the PAF in maintaining a modern and effective air force. The ZDK-03's short service life and operational issues raise questions about the future of Pakistan's defense cooperation with China. They also underscore the PAF's need for reliable and capable AWACS aircraft to meet its security challenges. The retirement of the ZDK-03 has left a significant gap in the PAF's airborne surveillance capabilities. The PAF is now actively seeking replacements to address this capability gap. This will ensure its ability to monitor its airspace effectively. The ZDK-03's operational limitations were a major factor in its early retirement. The PAF had envisioned the ZDK-03 as a key asset for monitoring its airspace. However, the aircraft's technical issues severely hampered its operational effectiveness. The radar system's poor performance in ground clutter meant that the ZDK-03 was less effective in certain environments. The ZDK-03's limited operational range also posed a challenge for the PAF. The aircraft was primarily based at Masroor Air Base. This is due to its poor radar performance in sea clutter. This limited its coverage over inland areas. The PAF had to rely on other assets such as ground-based radars to compensate for the ZDK-03's limited range. This was not ideal, as it reduced the PAF's overall situational awareness. The ZDK-03's technical problems were compounded by questions about its compatibility with the PAF's existing air defense infrastructure. The PAF uses a mix of Western and Chinese equipment. The ZDK-03, being a Chinese platform, faced challenges in integrating with some of the PAF's Western systems. This limited its ability to share data effectively and participate in joint operations. The ZDK-03's short service life and operational issues highlight the complexities of international defense cooperation. They also underscore the importance of careful consideration of technical compatibility and operational requirements when acquiring complex weapon systems. The PAF has taken steps to address the capability gap left by the ZDK-03's retirement. The most notable acquisition is the Saab 2000 Ariya AEW and C aircraft. The Saab 2000 is a Swedish-made platform. It is known for its advanced radar technology and reliability. The Ariya AEW and C system is a highly capable system. It provides long-range surveillance and target tracking capabilities. The Saab 2000's arrival is a significant boost to the PAF's airborne surveillance capabilities. The aircraft's advanced radar system will allow the PAF to monitor its airspace more effectively. It will also be able to detect and track a wider range of threats. The Saab 2000's long range will also allow the PAF to cover a larger area, including inland regions. In addition to the Saab 2000, the PAF has also inducted other new aircraft. These include the Chengdu J-10CE Dragon fighters. The J-10CE is a capable multi-role fighter aircraft. It will enhance the PAF's air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. The PAF has also acquired ex-Belgian Air Force C-130H Hercules airlifters. These airlifters will bolster the PAF's transport capabilities. The PAF's new aircraft acquisitions reflect its commitment to modernizing its fleet and enhancing its capabilities. These new assets will play a crucial role in maintaining the PAF's operational readiness and its ability to meet future challenges. The PAF's decision to acquire the Saab 2000 highlights its reliance on a mix of suppliers to meet its defense needs. While China has been a traditional supplier of military equipment to Pakistan, the PAF has also turned to other countries such as Sweden to acquire advanced technology. The PAF's acquisition of the Saab 2000 AEW and C aircraft is a significant development in Pakistan-Sweden defense cooperation. It also reflects the PAF's assessment of the Saab 2000 as a highly capable and reliable platform that meets its operational requirements. To offset the costs of these acquisitions, Pakistan has been actively selling its retired aircraft. This includes the ZDK-03S CN-235 transport aircraft and F-7P MiG-21 fighters. These sales generate revenue and help to modernize the fleet. The PAF's modernization efforts are taking place against the backdrop of a challenging geopolitical environment and a struggling economy. The PAF must balance its operational requirements with its budgetary constraints. It also has to navigate the complexities of international defense cooperation.